Find the way to finish line by choosing the correct answer. So, this one is geometric progression. So, the formula of term Tn is equal to Arn minus 1. So, we see here, so start from here, so we see is given that T1 is equal to 12. T3 is equal to 27. So, find T5. So, we see here we have the formula Arn minus 1. So, we can substitute. So, T1 is equal to 12 or is equal to A. Now, we have A. T3 is equal to AR. So, 3 minus 1 is AR2. So, we have T3 is equal to 27. And A we have already equal to 12. This is 12 R square. Sorry, so bring here. R square is equal to 27 over 12. So, R is equal to 27 over 12. Okay, this is R. So, now it wanted to find T5. So, here, sorry, T5 is equal to, so AR 5 minus 1 which is AR4. So, A is equal to 12. R is equal to 27 over 12 to the power of 4. So, cert and power of 4 can be cut off. So, we get square which is equal to 12. 27 over 12 square which is equal to, this is 243 over 4. So, we see where is 243 over 4. So, this root, see 243 over 4. So, for the second one, we have T1 is equal to 4. T3 is equal to T2 plus 24. So, find positive of R. So, see the formula again. T1 is equal to 4. T1 is equal to A. So, A is equal to 4. So, T3 is equal to T2 plus 24. So we can substitute inside the formula. So, T3 is equal to AR 3 minus 1 which is AR2. So, T3 is equal, which is equal to A is 4R square. And then we see for T2, we have T2 is equal to AR 2 minus 1 which is AR only. So, we have 4R. Now, we can substitute. So, for T3 is equal to 4R square is equal to T2 is 4R and plus 24. So, we can bring at one side. 4R square minus 4R minus 24 is equal to 0. Divide everything with 4. So, R square minus R minus 24 divided by 4 is 6 is equal to 0. This one is R minus 3. R plus 2 is equal to 0. R is equal to 3 and negative 2. The positive value of R is equal to 3. So, 3, so we go this path. So, this one given that negative 3, 6, negative 12, up to negative 1, 9, 2. Find the number of terms. So, it wanted to find what is the n. So, we see here from this series, we can find A is equal to negative 3. So, R is equal to term minus, so term divide previous term which is n over negative 3. So, we get n over negative 3 is negative 2. Now, we can substitute. So, this is Tn. So, Tn is equal to AR n minus 1. So, we don't know n yet. But we know Tn. Tn is negative 192 is equal to A is negative 3. R is negative 2. And this one is n minus 1. Negative 3 first. So, negative 192 divided by negative 3 is equal to negative 2 to the power of n minus 1. 64 is equal to negative 2 of n minus 1. So, we get 64. So it's equal to negative 2n. So we have minus 1 mean divided by negative 2 to the power of 1. So we have negative 2n times, this one is negative 1 over 2. So this one can be bring to the left. So we have, lama atas space lah. So negative 1 to 8 is equal to negative 2n. So we can cancel the negative. So 2n is equal to 1 to 8. 2n is equal to 2 to the power of 7. So n is equal to 7. So if you don't know, if 2 power of 7, you can just directly use log. So we see 2n and 1 to 8. So log 2n is equal to log 1 to 8. So n log 2 is equal to log 1 to 8. N is equal to log 1 to 8 divided by log 2, which is equal to 7. So 7 is this part, so we are going here. So we see here in this box, so A is equal to 50 and T5 is equal to 20, 12 over 25. So find R. So you see here the formula we have here, Tn is equal to AR and minus 1. So T5 is equal to AR, 5 minus 1 AR. So if we change it, it's equal to 512 over 25. So 512 over 25 is equal to A is 50. R4 is we don't know R4. So now we wanted to find R, right? R4 is equal to 512 over 25 divided by 50. So we can bring this to the left. So we get 256 over 625. So this one is equal to 4 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 4, or 4 over 5 to the power of 4. So R4 is equal to 4 over 5 to the power of 4. Now we can cut here. So R is equal to 4 over 5. So R is equal to 4 over 5. So this root. So here R is equal to half. T3 is equal to 1 over 6. So find T10. So see, we have T3. So we see here formula T3 is equal to AR2. So it's given as 1 over 6. And it's also given R is equal to half. So A half square is equal to 1 over 6. A is equal to 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 2 square, which is equal to A is 2 over 3. So dia nak siapa? So T10. So T10 is equal to AR 10 minus 1, AR 9. So A is equal to, we get 2 over 3. 2 over 3, R is equal to 1 over 2 to the power of 9, which is equal to 1 over 768. So 1 over 768 is this way. So R is equal to x plus 3 over x plus 1, or x plus 8 over x plus 3 is the same. So 1 over 3 plus 3 over 1 over 3 plus 1, which is equal to 5 over 2. So we wanted to find T5. T5 is equal to AR4. So A is equal to 4 over 3. R is 5 over 2 to the power of 4, which is equal to 625 over 12. So 625 over 12 is this root. And here given that, so 0 0.12, 0 0.0012 and 0 0.00012, find R. So R, this 0 0.12 times R is 0 0.0012 times R is also the 0 0.012. So to find R, we just take this one divide by the previous term. So 0.0012 divided by 0.12, which is equal to 0.01. So yeah, finish line.